A skinning knife is a specialized tool designed for efficiently removing the skin from game after a successful hunt. With a sharp, curved blade, it offers precision and control, ensuring clean cuts without damaging the meat. Durable and ergonomic, a skinning knife is essential for hunters and outdoors enthusiasts. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 5. CRKT Kinko Folding Carry Knife is a compact, reliable tool designed for everyday carry, ADC, and outdoor tasks. Featuring a 2.93-inch blade made from high-quality stainless steel, it offers exceptional edge retention, sharpness, and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for cutting, slicing, and general utility tasks. The blade's drop-point design provides excellent versatility, offering a balance of precision and strength for a variety of applications. The ergonomic handle is crafted from durable glass-reinforced nylon, providing a secure, comfortable grip for extended use, while the textured surface ensures a non-slip hold, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife's frame lock mechanism ensures the blade stays securely in place during use, offering peace of mind while cutting. Its lightweight design, weighing just 2 ounces, and slim profile make it easy to carry in your pocket, making it ideal for those who want a tool that won't weigh them down. With its smooth opening action and reliable performance, the CRKT Kinko Folding Carry Knife is an excellent addition to any ADC collection, offering convenience, functionality, and durability in a sleek, portable design. Number 4. Klein Tools 44218 Utility Knife is a rugged, versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable cutting performance in demanding work environments. Featuring a durable stainless steel blade, the knife offers excellent sharpness and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for cutting through a variety of materials, including ropes, drywall, and electrical cables. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and control, providing a secure, non-slip grip even in wet or greasy conditions, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The knife's retractable blade feature ensures safety by allowing the blade to be securely stored when not in use, while the easy access button enables quick and efficient blade extension and retraction. The blade also has a locking mechanism that ensures it stays securely in place while cutting. The Klein Tools 44218 Utility Knife is designed for durability, with a sturdy construction that can withstand rough handling on job sites. Compact and portable, it fits easily in your tool belt or pocket. Whether for electrical work, construction, or general utility tasks, this utility knife delivers reliable, consistent. Number 3. Gerber Vital Pocket Folding Knife is a compact, versatile tool designed for hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone in need of a reliable everyday carry, ADC knife. Featuring a 3-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade, it provides excellent sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for field dressing, cutting, and general utility tasks. The blade's drop-point design ensures versatility and precision, allowing for a variety of cutting tasks with ease. The ergonomic, rubberized handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring optimal control, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife's ambidextrous, one-handed opening mechanism makes it easy to deploy quickly, while the liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place during use. Its compact size, weighing just 2.5 ounces, and slim profile make it perfect for carrying in your pocket or attaching to a gear bag, making it an ideal tool for everyday carry. With its durable construction, sharp blade, and ease of use, the Gerber Vital Pocket Folding Knife offers a reliable, functional solution for a wide range of tasks in the field or around the home. Number 2. Schrade Old-Timer 152 T-Sharpfinger Knife is a classic, reliable hunting and outdoor tool that has stood the test of time. With its timeless design and rugged construction, this knife is perfect for hunters, hikers, and anyone in need of a dependable, versatile blade. The 3.6-inch clip-point blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, providing excellent edge retention, sharpness, and resistance to corrosion, making it suitable for use in any outdoor environment. The blade's fine point is ideal for detailed tasks like skinning and precision cutting, while its sharp, straight edge ensures clean, effortless slicing. The full-tang construction and nickel-silver bolster add to the knife's durability, providing excellent strength and stability during use. The ergonomic handle, made from genuine stacked leather, offers a secure, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The handle design also features a finger guard for added safety and control. The knife's leather sheath with a snap closure ensures secure carry and easy access when you need it most. Whether you're hunting, fishing, or tackling general outdoor tasks, the Schrade Old-Timer 152 OT Sharpfinger knife delivers reliable performance, making it a timeless choice for those who value quality craftsmanship and practicality. Number 1. Outdoor Edge Razor Lite EDC Knife is a versatile and innovative tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, and outdoor activities like hunting, camping, and fishing. This compact knife features a 3.5-inch blade made from high-quality stainless steel, known for its sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. What sets the Razor Lite apart is its unique replaceable blade system, allowing users to quickly swap out dull blades for fresh, razor-sharp ones without the need for sharpening. With its innovative blade replacement feature and practical design, the Outdoor Edge Razor Lite EDC knife is an essential tool for those who demand convenience, versatility, and sharp performance in their everyday carry gear. Known for its sharpness, durability, and corrosion